How to remove someone from Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can remove someone from Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically remove someone from Snapchat, all you have to do is simply open the Snapchat application and then tap the Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen here to come to this page. And from here, what you want to do is you'll simply find the option called My Friends. So let's say there's a certain friend that you don't want in your friends list and then you'd like to remove them. You can select them over here and then tap on their name to come to their profile page, or you can just tap the three dots option from the top right hand side. Then you'll find the option called Manage Friendship, and from here you'll just find the option called Remove Friend. You can tap on it, tap the remove option in order to remove them as a friend. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically remove someone from your friends. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.